Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sea moss. First, take about 1 cup of dried sea moss and rinse it very well under cold, running water to remove any debris. Next, place the cleaned sea moss into a large bowl and cover it with about 4 cups of filtered water. Let it soak for 4 to 6 hours, or until it has expanded and softened considerably. This crucial step ensures proper hydration and cleanliness before blending. Now that your sea moss is perfectly hydrated, it's time to blend it into a gel. First, drain the sea moss but save about 1 cup of the soaking water. Place the softened sea moss into a high-speed blender. Add 1 to 2 cups of fresh filtered water or the reserved soaking water, depending on your desired thickness. Blend on high for about 1 to 2 minutes until it forms a smooth, creamy gel. Once your sea moss gel is blended, transfer it into a clean, airtight glass jar. Store this jar in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for about 2 to 3 weeks. To use, simply add 1 to 2 tablespoons of the gel daily to your favorite smoothies, juices, teas, or even soups. It's a versatile addition that easily integrates into your routine without altering flavors significantly. Incorporating sea moss gel into your diet offers numerous benefits. It's packed with 92 of the 102 essential minerals your body needs, supporting everything from thyroid function to digestion and immunity. Many people also notice improvements in skin health and energy levels with consistent use. It's a simple way to boost your daily wellness routine. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to enhance your home and lifestyle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.